Hi all, today's topic is Poisson distribution for a problem 2. A manufacturer of a wet grinder wants to buy a 1 HP motor from a supplier in a lot of 1000, and when filled to a machine, this motor have a probability of failure 0.01. In a shipment of 1000 motor, what is the probability that none are defective, 1 is defective and 2 are defective? None are defective means x equal to 0, 1 defective means x equal to 1 and 2 defective means x equal to all the 3 subdivision we need to calculate. Okay, so it is given in the question n is 1000. Okay, given in the question n is 1000. Probability p is nothing but 0.01. Don't write q is 0.01. It's wrong. Okay, p only is given in the question. It is 0.01. Probability only we have to consider. So we know that Poisson I'm going to go. So the reason n is small means go with your binomial distribution. N is large means go with your Poisson distribution. Here large, how I decide, there is no boundary. Which is large, which is small, we don't, it is not given to be which is large, which is small. So n is 1000. So I'm going with the Poisson distribution. So e to the power minus lambda, lambda power x divided by x factorial. N and P are given. So we have to convert it into lambda. So how can I convert? So lambda equal to NP. Multiply it. Both when I multiply it, 1000 into 0.01 is nothing but 1. Lambda equal to 1. So e to the power minus 1. 1 power x. Anything power 1, it's the same x factorial. So e to the power minus 1 divided by x factorial, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. till infinity. So probability of none are defective means probability of x equal to 0. Substitute in this x equal to 0, you substitute 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So e to the power minus 1. E to the power minus 1 calculate in a calculator. So it's nothing but 0.368. Same way x is 1. 1 is defective. X is 1 when I put. So e to the power minus 1 divided by 1 factorial, the same answer. E to the power minus 1, it is nothing but 0.368. When x equal to 2, last subdivision, x equal to 2. So 2 when I put e to the power minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. So e to the power minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2 only. So when I divide it, I'll be getting 0.184. So completed. Third problem. Find the probability that at the most 4, at the most means it is nothing but everyone know at the most means is less than or equal to. At the most 4 defective fuses will be found in a box of 200 fuses if experience shows that 2% of such fuses are defective. So it is given in the question. Probability B is given in the question. It's a 2% defective. 2% defective is given. 2% means convert it. 2 by 100. Percentage convert first. 2 by 100 it's 0.02. Okay, P is given to be 0.02. Okay, so N is given to be 200. N it is given in the question 200 fuses. So N and P are given. We have to N it's 200. Okay, we have to NP given means we have to go with Poisson distribution. It is not mentioned Poisson distribution or binomial distribution. Now 200 also I will consider to be large value. This is large, so I will go with the Poisson distribution. So Poisson distribution. So yeah, it is converted to lambda. It's NP. So multiply it 200 into 0.02 when I convert it. So it's nothing but 2, 4. So 4. N equal to 4 I am getting. So what is the formula for Poisson distribution? E to the power minus lambda power x divided by x factorial. So lambda we got to be 4. So e to the power minus 4. 4 power x divided by x factorial, where x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. till infinity. Now whatever the question it is asked, we can find it. At the most 4 defective. So is less than or equal to 4 I need to calculate. Probability of x is less than or equal to 4 I need to calculate. So all 0, at 1, at 2, 3, 4. So substitute in this x0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add all the answer, we will get the solution. So p0. So e to the power minus 4 throughout the common. So I will take it that outside. So it is easy for my calculation. So p is 0. 0. Anything power 0, 1. 0 factorial 1. So 1 plus p1. 1 means 4 divided by 4 only. Plus p2. P2 means 4 squared. 4 squared divided by P2. So 4 square divided by 2 factorial 2 only. So 4 square divided by 2 factorial. 4 square divided by 2 factorial. Next 4 cube divided by 3 factorial. Next 4 power 4 by 4 factorial. So everything calculate in a calculator, we will get the solution. So now probability of x is less than or equal to 4. E to the power minus 4 is given the answer. Okay. So it's not given in the question means we have to calculate in the calculator e to the power minus 4. You get the answer. So all the substitution, when I substitute it, I am getting the answer to be 0.628. Answer I am getting 0.628. So completed. Thank you.